Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I have a special, and right now it's another fantastic morning. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video. So in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby Official. So anyway, this is what I'm calling home, and east west, home is the best. You know, that's my dad's parent home. That's my dad's home, and of which I'm trying to change it in terms of building or in terms of houses, you can see. And also, when I finish my mom's house, this is the next house that I'm going to demolish, because we demolished a half of it, and I'm telling you, it's too old. But I know most of my subscribers didn't like to demolish African house. So far so good. We demolished that because of the space, and it acts as a store. We have only one room here for where I keep some timbers and cement. And also, the only house that we're going to remain here as a memory is that house that I'm living with me and my brother. That one. But this one here, I will adjust up to on this. I think up on this space right here, and then we have the kitchen here. And also we have the gates right at the back, so we always have the gate from there because we have the borehole there. So the entrance of going to the toilet will be on the other side where you see the avocado trees going down. So anyway, that's my program that I'm trying to arrange here and there, and actually I'm so grateful. So thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. Without you, I couldn't be here. And always remember, the time was so limited in my village here. I suppose maybe to see where I can sell even a baby calf. Let me show you guys, because right now we are 2 blocks, me and my mom. And as you know earlier, my brother is supposed to join secondary school. So things change. And I want to put clear right now here, so most of my subscribers, they want to know early enough. So my brother is supposed to go in Narok County, but right now they are being pushed to Nairobi. After Nairobi, I think in Kiambu County. So when I reach Nairobi, and I supposed to go in Thika, and then Thika to Kiambu, so right there, and it's a long distance from my village here. And man, I need prayers. And also right now, let me show you guys, we are 2 blocks. Maybe we sell that calf right there so I can take my brother to school, because at this moment, no any payment of money like school fees. That one, no, because my brother, he gets free scholarship. And I appreciate that. You see how God opened the door in our family? Man, we're so blessed. And I can't complain anymore, because I'm trying to imagine how are we going to, like, how am I going to handle this situation of my brother? He was in secondary. I supposed to pay school fees. Also have my brother who studied in a university. I supposed to pay rent. I supposed to pay fees for the semesters. You know, those could be tough for me and tough for my mom. But you know, like, we have too many to trap. So God, like, untrap. You know, so my brother gets free scholarship or free sponsorship from the school. As a footballer team. So that one, me, I raised up my hand. I say, God, thank you. God, thank you. Because without God, man, me, like, God, thank you. You know? So, yeah, I'm very happy. Also, my mama, she was very happy. And I think in terms of the shopping, either we'll sell this calf here on Sunday, and I make the shopping on Monday. I don't know, on Monday, by Monday evening we shall see what I supposed to do. But man, this one by Sunday I supposed to sell it to the market, and this one would go around I think 15,000 Kenyan shillings. That's too low. And the shopping will take around 37,000, you know. Even I haven't indicated the transport from here up to Nairobi, and then from Nairobi I supposed to carry the Uber from there to Thika, and then from Thika I go deeply to Kiambu. I register my brother there, or I admit my brother. So it's my evidence on my video. You wait, guys, and nothing to be hide. I told you where I'm heading to, where I'm taking my brother to, so at least people can have some information. When maybe something happened on my way, this video could be my evidence. And you know, like, hey, hello baby, you said you're going to Nairobi. What's happened? What's up? So anytime this calf, we're gonna sell it at least to get 15,000 Kenyan shillings. We try to make the budget, you know. So I see my sister right here. Bana unachechemea. You know, like my sister was lifting one leg like this, like this. You know, what's happened? Huh? Bana unatoka shule? Hauna viatu? Mbona? What's your name? So you must be very neat. So guys, I asked my sister, why don't you wear the school shoes? So she told me, man, man, I'm telling you, me, like, I realized, you know, like, me, I'm a grown-up right now. So, like, cells in my body, it can't grow right now. But my sister, their cells, they need to grow because she's too young, she's a child, you know. So the cells are growing quick and fast, you know. It reach a point where the cells can't grow, but they can mature and it reach a limit. So the reason why I use that terms, it's because me, when you see my leg like that one here, that's my size of my leg. It can't go beyond there. But my sister, their leg, when she was a baby, she was too small like this. But right now, the more my sister she was growing, their legs also grow. So I bought my sister last year some shoes or school shoes. And right now I wonder, no more school shoes, because she told me at the feet here, you know, it's very small. So she need again to have another shoes. Umeenda siku ngapi nini? Yebo. Yes. Be louder. Wacha kuangalia hapo. Mwalimu hakukusumbua? The teacher didn't disturb you? Okay. So I told her, you know, like right now, it's an opening day from Monday up to right now. And the teacher didn't disturb her because I know from next week they'll be more serious. Even during assembly, they're supposed to check the school shoes and everything. So maybe nikitoka Nairobi, I will see what next. Takunulia viatu. Okay guys, I told my sister when I came from my journey all the way from Nairobi, I think I'll be here during on Thursday or Friday. You never know. Or maybe I should go and I reach there on Thursday, on Tuesday morning, things. We shall see, guys. You know, even I have no idea. It's only God who planned our journey. So when I reach there, I'll tell you like, hey guys, I reached here and there. When I come back home, I'll show you, and then I'll start organize about my sister's school shoes. Man, I'm the guy who value education, you know. So that is it, and let's see on the next videos. And in case you're new here, guys, please give more like, subscribe, and let's make me to smile. When I smile, it means you smile by watching my videos and comment, you know. Sometimes it's good, guys. Me, like, I always promise you, when I get 1,000 views per video, you will see how I'm gonna push this house, you know. It's only the problem that I had, you know. I make videos every day, you know. Sometimes I do get disappointed because I make some good videos, I get lower views, but me, I don't care about views. The only thing that I care, it's about my family, about my life, you know, how I move day by day. You know, life is moving day by day, and things are changing, you know. So far so good. That's how things go. And also, let's see you on my next videos. Enjoy the vlog to the end, guys. Guys, it's night. Samba. See, guys, we get attacked by safari ant right there. Oh my god. That's my brother. Oh. Look. You are being attacked. Look. This safari ant. What's happened? Look. There's my cousin right there. Oh my god. Look at the safari ant. The monkey. Look at the monkey. Why they not it? Bonita. I think they are samba. Huh? Look. There is even safari ant to the wall. Look. Oh my god. Look. Right there. Look. Guys, we are being attacked by the ants at night. Man, this is crazy. Huh? Look. So we try to use the tire to burn them. You know. Oh my god. It's crazy. Attack at night. And I'm gonna show you on the time, man. Look, it's 01:41 a.m. but a very night. We never sleep like 2 hours, guys. From now back. Taramukaletere tairi daddy. Daddy na mana tairi. That I can't go red. Struggling, you see, very late. Maka nung ko samba. They are biting, no, everything, no. Huh? Man. Hey, Dad. That man, I'm not told it. Yeah. Montare te tairi, motore hayu. Mal, danse moro te tairi. They're really trying. Tahan kagi muiten. Takote na ikone te tairi. Paul. Man, I don't know what is this. For example, look right here. Look how many. Look. This is crazy. Guys, imagine other people are sleeping, but for us, we just get attacked. That is me, guys. Don't mind. But how do you see when maybe tukarusha makara kanje.
Ranja ntorore.
Ma, tena nukurka kwa sama. Iya.
Kumango ngasakari kari.
Uruchasi kamahan. Kamahan. Masambe keno yonsu. Gongora alime. Guys, me, I'm trying to show you. And you know, like, they tried to fear the tire. So I sent my cousin a tire. Uginyori. See the tire. Rama hokenga sinivi. Nirinyo.
Chiwaya nkochire.
Bangeringin tu.
Keri kikebi kikakengani.
Try to cut this tire, guys. Into
Neta kengeri.
tahu sampai ke How do you see? Did you get those stuff? Yeah. And imagine my house just right there. You know, the crazy thing, even those safari ants, they try to climb on the wall, man. Imagine. But when you burn the tire, those smoke for the tire, the safari ant fear them, the smelling of this tire or the smoke. Even the snake, you know. You know nga ni mahotor ko kona ambe haruring kan kuyans. I'm telling my brother. Transfer makuru anyuma. Hano. You see? Man, it's a lot. Look. Right there.
So goti gore bona okay. Tagati. No ka goti riko.
So you got thing on the radio to cover the game. Could have your gang. Hata sura na inside ya mbele hora ma bahanu kama harunyoro kengere. Mau hawara kottara. Isha papa. Guys, comment on the comment section below. And I see those so far and they try to run. That muna tahanganyi kibiki mo. Otore ko kon. Hatara na hayo. Mana tanganyi. Tayango di ko otore ko kon. Hayo.
Kango sini ngakaku heti. Sito kiento na yongo. Ngomba te vitu yo kionso.
To kyam.
Jumbe. Iko na chuma sioni vitu hapa. Makoma zinzi wota chiri. Eti mbira bi. Mbira bi.
This tricky situation, guys. I'm giving to the motor. Anda dia rutora takut. Kaya. Eh.
Kami ada tidak sih deh. Kami mereka kita kawai.
Yang ngote motor tadi mau kondo kolegen tu kira dadi. Mata lu set tairi mu ha ki mu motor kuro ego.
Mangara ini kita kau kesannya bakat.
Burn them from there. Mana mau kata ni yutan.
Mana kau kesana di kenyu.
Mana tor hai.
Mana kau kesana kenyu. Makan naga curi kerja.
Kita tor harga kata ni yutan. Kata pembibir aku. Tahu kumir dari mau tor kiro mamor. Ikan kuing. Mahu.
Hai.
Mahu. Kumahu kuing kumah. Tor kuyamun. Hey. Iko. You have knife and panga right here, guys, for protection. But I mean, we stand with God. Daddy, explain where did you came from? And then you find those safari ants.
Yeah. We came from you.
You are watching the football?
Yeah.
Yeah, football match, and the bin came at around let me say 120. Huh? Hey, kata yo nini mchome. Where did you came from, my brother?
I came from we call it the banda.
The banda.
Where we watch football.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've been watching football. Imagine from 10 p.m. 10 p.m. They were being left at home, and me, I went to sleep with my with other family. That's my mom, my sister. So they have been calling me, hey bro, that's around 7:20. Open for me again. When I opened them, I had them complaining. We have safari ant here. You see the implication of keeping the tires after moving from the bike. You know, I have my first bike. Mara nitasamba na hoka kusaruke kupikipiki. Here you go. Mara no kaliniri ki gorokuyo atayu. Wasambe no tachorum. No, without them, man. Hey, when they are going to school, I will struggle alone here. I'm telling you, 100%.
Make sure you go to nyumba dai. That's all. Nanga gere boli ya ronga ramai.
Pata tu sabe que kupiki. Buita. That I need, I suppose, take my bike back. You see? Look. Look. Untold. And this is crazy. Oh. Wow.
Gimana kasih?
Yo tutor harga. Harga kau terus sih virar tutore. Eu pikir haju. Hey, sorry. Aku yang doing it. Kau kata ini. Okay, bring my phone. Guys, I need to go at the back. That's where we left the tie and everything. I'm giving you free technique, the tie and everything. Those safari ants fear those smoke. Ma tagende manse. Ego. But I think see guys, even the tube of the motorbike, I came with it. It helped a lot. Actually, me know that. Actually, me. Karime tai. After tahali muta sambai. Muta tonye de ona ali me. Mata tonye uchano de. Mata tonye. Muta temke tadi me tai ri mutu. Where did he again? Tadi me. The tie didn't get banned. Alright. Aye, sikweni panga. Take this knife. Yeah? How do you feel? I know it's very tough and risk work.
Yeah guys, like how you see, our method is so easy to use and it's so great. Yeah, now we make it. The work is guys. Thank you guys. Please, if you watch this video, please subscribe to my brother Hello Baby channel. Yeah.
Okay guys, that's how things go. And it's around you see 159. Remember when I show you it's around 140 something. We try to do quick and fast. We burn everything. And today's on Friday, date 9 January. See, it's very late, man. Look man, look. Very late. Huh? Even I see some stars there. Alright, time ke tairi no tuina yo. Wita. Bebe tairi, wendo haiko ile nyumba ya mama uko juu. He'll take everything. Huh? But God is good, man. You know. Shika. Alright guys, let's meet in the morning when there's lights. Look. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How was everything?
Everything was fine.
Oh, thank you. Put down. So this Gideri here and this tea. Introduce yourself.
My name is Samuel. Yeah.
Samuel who?
Samuel Mwita. Yeah.
And we wanna call you academic or the joiner.
The joiner.
Come this side here. So guys, this is my real brother here. I'm the firstborn and I'm the first role model in my family. I'm trying to be good son to my family and also to be good role model to my sibling here. So this is Samuel Mwita, and I think today's on Friday.
Yeah.
Man, I think by Tuesday you're supposed to make shopping.
Yeah.
When did you leave?
I think it's on Wednesday.
On Wednesday?
Yeah.
And imagine from now, that's the reason why I just wake up early in the morning going around to see whether I can get some money even for the shoes, money for the box. And it's my evidence on my videos. We haven't buy anything. Like me, I'm just hanging there. And even my mama, as we speak right now, my mama, she was not around at home because It's a serious matter in terms of education. When I see my brother go to school, settle, but the good thing is, man, we're so blessed. My brother is a footballer right here, and you get free scholarship, all right?
Yeah.
So like right now, like no payment of school fees,
Yeah.
only shopping. You go. Like first day is to make you a shopping for 37,000, including school uniform, 2 pairs, shoes, socks, boot. Did you buy the boot for the football?
No.
And you know when you're joining, they're supposed to see the boots for the football. You know, so those boots, mattress, metal box, even some soap, some jelly. Some, those polish. We call polish for put like brushing for your shoes. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, you go. Even some sandals, you go. And I'm telling you, that's my brother. His shopping will take a lot of money, and that's why me and my mom we try to come. Uh, we try to come as a family. I told mama, hey, just look something small, and for me, like 90%, I'm the one who look, a lot of money. Uh, what my mom will come with, we contribute and make shopping for my brother. Man, I'm just enjoying, and this is my lunch. This is my breakfast, also my lunch. Nowadays I skip because I don't wanna eat breakfast, lunch, supper. So I decide to skip lunch and eat supper. So like per day, I'm gonna have twice per meal. Morning, that's my breakfast, and also supper. So I realized myself, like man, I gain a lot of weight here and there. It's because I eat thrice per day. So I cancel one. At least I eat strong breakfast, which can sustain me up to evening time. So right here, we have avocado. As I told you earlier, in our home here, we have plenty of avocados, and maybe in the future, I'm trying to put more fruits in our compound, you know. So after enjoying this, man, last night we haven't sleep. We watch these videos till the end, man. We haven't sleep, you know. So let me enjoy the food, and then I think I'll go and visit my neighbor here. Yesterday I was been there, construction taking place, and also today I supposed to be there, and actually I want to give him some instruction, So I don't have the cameraman, but I'm the camera at the same time. So I'm gonna put avocado. In Jesus' name, we'll make it like never before. Oh my God, look. It looks like a blue band, man. That's how everything is. You see right there. And yeah, we are good to go. For me, like that's how I show you You know, the leftover gonna give Bruno to enjoy that. Oh my god, I can't believe one day I should sit on my mom's house like this, watching there some TV, you know, and having some food, maybe not maybe having food on the dining. So one day. So you see how I try to organize myself. Sometime I do pause my construction because of 1, 2, 3, like taking my brother to school and then coming back. I'll start to settle down and looking my stuff here and there, you know. So this is my food right here, and it's very healthy. I'm telling you, this organic, pure organic food, you know. So God, I'm gonna pray for my food. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Bless my food in Jesus' name. I pray, Amen. As I pray in shortcuts. Telling you. Very nutritious. You know, guys, in Africa, mostly in the, like, I want to say this, interior part of the village in Africa, we're gonna put food down like this and we eat, you know, like we don't mind. But other places we're gonna put food on the dining, you know, like, man, about this platform I learned something, like to build an open kitchen and to have a dining, you know, man, even to have a private toilet in the house. It's by God's grace, and we try to improve our living standard, you know. When you compare maybe back years, or maybe when you compare 19th century and 20s, it's something different, you know. Like the year of 2025, man, look what you achieve, you're gonna see on TV, and it's live, man, you know. And also, these are pure hard working. These are all like this implication of YouTube. And also, guys, this is your, like, man, when you support me day by day, this is what I try to create in our village here. Like, boom, and look, this side we have a bigger window, you know. And when I was grew up, man, I just see these things on the rich people. Maybe when somebody build a house like this, you must employed by the government. Either you are a teacher, you are a police, like you are a police officer, you are an army, KDF, Air Force, you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are an engineer. You know, back years. But nowadays, even like a farmer, he can build a house like this, you know. A blogger who is Hello Baby, he can build a house like this. And imagine, I haven't traveled, and I think when I'm gonna start traveling after I finish my mama house, man, we'll gain a lot of subscriber, a lot of views. And I know majority of my audience, they like to see me, you know, moving around like an eagle. You know, that's my niche, that's my logo, not my niche, that's my logo. Moving around like an eagle, you know. And one day you see me carrying a heavy bag like a donkey, moving like on the streets, going to other country. You'll see. You wait. Just pray for me when I finish this house and everything have been completed. When I left my home, it's one and for good. When I go around, that's how things go. you know. So let me enjoy my food before it gets warm, all cool. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm getting out, and even I wonder my neighbor's dog are sleeping here. What's up? So guys, anyway, I'm at home right now before I left. Look, so that's how the compound looks like. Super amazing. You can tell from the videos, and that's how everything looks like. So I just, before my brother go to school, I want him to cut it here some maybe 1.5 inch, and then put salt, so these trees can able to dry the leaves, and then just hang the way it is, like a post, because you can see the Luther cable, it's running. I don't know, maybe you can see that, the black Luther, look, even here, hey, even right there. So yeah, and I bring the Luther from Hispania Center to other side where there is a tarmac. Imagine it's run a long distance, but hopefully I think even my neighbors or maybe the community gets those Luther, because on the other side there is a Muram road, which is a public road. It's passing there, so there is some post of electricity. So I try, like, to put those Wi-Fi cable, simply because, man, I really struggling a lot, close to 2 years, going to people's home, using the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it's too late. I found people have been close their house. I just hang. Imagine this is your house. I just hang outside like this, sitting on the cold on a veranda like this outside, uploading the video. Man, I came from far. And when I tried to give my flashback how I struggle, I said no, let me bring the Luther to my home. Also right now the community have been benefits from me, and it's a blessing, man. It's a blessing. People are using Wi-Fi here, and I think maybe I see, when yesterday I was passing there with my motorbike, I see only one people drop the cable to their home. That's CJ. Yesterday I was been there, and I saw that, and me, I appreciate, because like, as a content creator, we use a lot of bundle to upload the videos, so it's need you to have your personal or maybe your private Wi-Fi, things like that. I want to go in the toilet, but hey, there's no key here. Things have been locked. Look, it tells you here since morning nobody come here. So anyway, yeah. okay, flow the vibe to the end, and also let me know on the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. But for me, 100% we are moving well. Sometimes, guys, like, I think the more you watch my videos, the more I can maybe put my efforts to push my mom's house, but without watching my videos, let's say, guys, roughly, if I found 1,000 people watching my videos, at least I can make something else which you can see at the end of the month. But if I get, like, let me say 200 people, that's 200 views, 300 views, we make, like, let me say, we make $1 per videos. But if I get 1,000 views, that's 1,000 people watching and view, I can make, let me say, $7. If you collect $7, because other people skip some videos, like people in my country, they skip, you know. So 90% people from abroad support us, you know. They are very genuine. So we try to make our life to be better, you know. So I see even my mama cats are growing tall. And guys, if you remember, when I show you that even I plant these kales here, I think there's a half of the part that I plant, a half of the pathway my mama plant also, you know. Yeah. All right. So I think so far so good. I haven't connected water to this toilet, because me, when I was building the toilet, I think like, oh, it's a long distance fetching water from the river, bring here. I never knew like I could get water in an easy way, you know. So it's need me, like, after I finish everything down, the home have already been completed, I'm gonna start building the tower of the water. I place the water tank on top, and then water running to the washroom and toilet, you know. At least your work is to come inside, you take shower, you go, things like that. But so far so good. Now when I'm going to use the toilet, it's needing me to fetch water from there with a bucket. I come with it to the loo. And also, guys, please forgive me. I know most of you are hating this side, like fetching water from the borehole right there, bring to the toilet. For the visitors, I can make it possible. There's a, you know, like, there's a big bucket inside there, so it carry only 3 buckets of water. So you fetch, you put inside there. But for the public one, it's need you to fetch 1 bucket from there, we come with it. Anyway, guys, stay tuned, we shall meet from there. Okay guys, my journey started from my home, going to one of my friends, and automatically, nothing to be hide, I'm going to visit brother Dagi, and I want to see the progress, you know. And I told you every day is to build the whole of Africa. And as you can see, other people are harvesting maize on this side here. Man, we have some guavas alongside the road. Like, if you're walking randomly, when the guavas have been, you know, like ripe, the ripe one, you can peel it and eat, you know. Yes. So guys, we try to show you our life from deeply from the village to the world, you know. And the good thing is we don't fake life, showing you luxury cars, luxury house, you know. Me, I'm shooting the videos in the bush, as you can see right here, even when I'm walking, you know. And I show you where I came from and where I'm heading to, you know. Whew. Let's go. Some green vegetation, even goats can graze here. Imagine you can tie your goat here and graze, you know, inside on this bush here. But the well-developed country like South Africa, every is a tarmac road, tarmac. Even in US. And I don't judge my country, because in big city like Nairobi, they were being, you know, well developed, you know. So that's sometime most of the people migrate from the village going to the city looking for the job, you know. And also for those people who stay in Nairobi, we just born and raised in Nairobi, they want to come in the village and experience how life in the village looks like. For us, we just use firewood and everything, but in towns we have gas cooker and all electronic. Hey man, I just woke quick and fast. Yeah, let's see. Imagine this is the shortcut that we are using back years going to border town, and our parents used to walk, no nothing like motorbike. Either maybe you find back years bicycle, they normally do border. People can ride you from your home or maybe from the main road to the new destination. If he will find a hill, you can't get out from the motor. I think you can't get out from the bicycle. I mean, from the bicycle. When he found a hill place, he wants to struggle because you pay him money, so he needs to struggle with you. Riding the bicycle by using a lot of energy until when you reach in the new destination. Look at the beautiful flowers right there. Yeah, that's how lifestyle it is in back years. So but nowadays motorbike is everywhere, So we are moving. So goats are grazing, and I told you earlier, place like this, goats will graze. One day I'll try to walk around by foot. I will try to walk one day, let me say 5 kilometers by walking. So today, let's go this way, and then I take a U-turn. Okay. Guys, let me know in the comment section as watch this video. Did you love the village life? Let me know. Be the first viewers or the first subscriber to comment on this vlog. Did you love or did you like village life? Let me know. You see, and I told you earlier, this is a shortcut. We made the main road right here going to border town. So from here where I'm standing right now, from here to border town, it's only, let me say, by walking you can walk around 20 minutes, will be there. By driving 5 minutes. So if you can calculate the duration of time that I spent to walk and also the duration of time that I used to drive, it's a big difference there. So it shows you border town. We just in the close to the border town of Kenya and Tanzania, It used to be having a Mabati school here, but right now no more. You can see Achiever School. If they demolish everything, even the signboard is supposed to take out, because people will hang out for the new people who join to the community or to our community. There will be gates, you know, confused. They think the school is on upper side, you know. Welcome guys, right here. And I think yesterday I was been here, and it was my very first time to visit Brother Dagi building. Like, we are waiting for the long time, and I told her earlier, before you build a house, you need to build your mom's house first. He said, no, you know, this and that, may just keep quiet, because the moment you build your mama house, you get easy way to build your own house with no pressure. But if you build your house, you finish up, and you have some crazy people in our village, they start talk, oh, you build your house, you didn't build your mama house, you know, those kind of scenario. We try to get out of those scenario. So me, I appreciate him, because it's a well done job, and I told you it's not an easy thing, you know, like molding bricks, burning them, and I start building. You know, that's another big achievement. So guys, welcome. The gate is just open. Shkram. See guys, from down, the gate's just been open. Kasongo! Kasongo! Guys. Whew. Odi. Odi. Guys, nobody's here. Maybe he was on the other side. You see, implication of YouTube, building a nice toilet in our village. And I told you, let me sit here first. Whew. I'm so tired, because I just walked from my home up to here. I walked 10 minutes while I'm vlogging slowly or shooting the videos. So guys, I told you, these are implications of YouTube. You know, we have such a nice toilet like that in our village. Back here, we normally see these things for the rich people, for the people who get employed by the government. But nowadays, because of you know, the platform, people, the mind gets expanded. And also, you know, back here, it's because of our poor mentality. You know, when you see somebody building a house, a permanent one, you say, no, it is you know, an employer by the government. You know, people don't believe, like, if you work so hard, you're gonna achieve to build a nice house. But anyway, wow, that's how everything it is. And let's just keep moving, you know. So I'm heading this way. I don't think it will get the owner boss, but even I see they have already scooped some sand from here. Hey. They have been splitting firewood. Maybe the boss went to pick some cement. I don't know. Look, this side here. Drinking porridge. Guys, I come in a good time. I found people drinking porridge. Ukona kula kwa mdomo. I think this porridge is so mura. Hirangora. Ora humuni.
Ora ngura kirungu. Mahanya kirima hano hare.
Hotere. Yandima. Greet to my people. Abantu bakuhansire mungu moya kiri.
Bahansire mura mukere ko tirane mura kuri kimbiri ni mutako hageze cyane.
Oh. Tikenda ko hagendo.
Ke.
Oh. Oh. Gamba mungu modera ko hagendo.
Hano.
Tsatsentsire katipika pana. Natsen kuna rusko harabona. Yeah. Dai kana sanga pe wansere kini kupima nyumba nini setting ni ngumi na kwaga. Atuna mbana kwa korota kabini. Real boss. Watu wenye vitambi mno.
Guys, welcome back once again. This is Hello Baby official YouTube channel. Yes. Yeah, I'm here with him. Hello Baby. Yeah, it's okay from this. Yes. Wow, guys, it's break time. Masons, they are getting some tea. So we have already started the foundation. We are going to raise up with bricks so that this work, it can move on, guys, you know?
See how the rooms are big.
Yeah.
I told you earlier.
The rooms, it's so big.
Yes, you know, wow. Like raising up the foundation. Oh, the house is too small.
Actually, guys, this house for me, I can see like it's very enough for my mom.
Yeah.
Because like, you know, this is the master bedroom. That one is the bathroom on the corner there. You see?
And I think you see there is a jembe there.
Yes.
There's another wall to block.
Yeah, from that side.
Anko Mwita. Hello. Hakuna mlango hapo ya juu.
Iko kwa panda ya juu.
Atakuwa kitoka huko. Anakuja hapa.
Guys, actually what we are doing here, it's very nice. You can see this is the sand that we are using from this side, you know.
You know, yesterday we discussed with your mason. Come even you are the
boss.
Work,
it's okay.
No, I see the work is okay in Taranga. Taranga ni maswali kidogo. It's a good idea, bro. Anko Mwita, unaona mtu akitoka pale yule mgeni, akiingia pale, hafai aone hii mlango ikifunguliwa. Ublock hii ukuta, iwe mlango hapa na hapo.
Tuta block hapo. Mlango aidha pande hii ama pande hii. So that is quite direct.
Okay, sasa hii mlango basi uweke hapo jifiche huko.
Tukiweka yoka.
Hata kama yangelikuwa milango miwili pande hii. Poa poa. Alafu kapashini kaenda mpaka juu.
Tendo nimewaambia mblock juu hata brother Dagi come for example you're walking from here you can't see direct your mom's toilet aidi wewe ile side nyingine si mimi nakupa mashauri mazuri
hivyo si bado ndio foundation.
Kasongo
guys, what we are doing here, you know, when we are together, also we are trying to share some ideas on a different way, how the work it will be moving on. But this is now the start. Let's set everything, and then from there it will be moving up smoothly now. Yeah. So this is what you are doing today. You want to see where we are going to reach today. But I believe that we will be managing well.
No, you know, first today like this,
yes,
the house supposed to be reached here. You see on the window.
Yeah.
Tacho hanche. Komadirisha. Korobo kema. Komadiri. Yo ni sheria. Lazima hike komadirisha.
Abafundi ma mbabere nena hapo.
Babere. Singeka watatu. Pakinyi hike komadirisha.
Kanombu ya bale kiratina yo kwanza.
Kini kino ni kivindi yorale yangu. Tomanyeri. Okay, komit. Tomori kevro kwa kazi.
Murango hano tukuringiri hano.
Block hapo.
Sasa kuambia bro.
Tujenge hapa T.
Hii peke yake ijenge.
Hii sehemu lazima mfunge hapa juu hata ukitoka pale hauwezi ona direct cha mama yako. Baka mama yako hii ni private. Baka atoke pale aje itumie mwenyewe hapa. Yaani hiyo niko na katunini. Si niliwaambia kutoka jana.
Nzuri hatuja kazi. Na tii yake ndio hii.
Haya.
Tofali yetu inaanzia hapa.
You know, sometimes it's good to share idea. Yeah, my friend. That's how we set the house. 1, 2, 3, 3 courses. After 3 courses, we put the wall pass or barbed wire. Barbed wire. Reinforcement. Atau tu nu bushauri. Anaenda kana kumahe kana.
Kama kama ngingwe ngutigande kehebe. Ana ngingwe.
Mtu kama Nyakirima anatupa nyumba. Bakfere. Guys, the barbed wire.
The okokos.
Okoko.
Oi, eke de tortoise. In Kuru.
Vipi hali?
Hali ngumu.
Uwe mokao.
Koda muguli ahire.
Mara hongera nego more. Hongera atanga ngai. Amaisho ganga ni gale.
Kanga katamon.
Yes. Moro yorate mone hokera school. Na bana ba school. Na bana ba ichorega.
Ara ba suku. Bravo. Ara ba su.
Yodi ku handle. Bai shungu shungu.
Kuligi botasi bigain kumujengo alo dai glass.
Yeah.
Gana attachment yore.
Ta guchika mulishono na. Kayo mako mageno kahara harora ya.
Kona kije kamba lero wakonyoli hopole.
Tafali gato.
Kama nyerembe maeneo kuitoka.
Ema kumsuka ndani huko kwa. Mzungu naumia hapa lakini pesa zinapatiwa ni mbovu. Ongeza pesa bana. Tulipwe. Mzungu ongeza pesa bana.
Touch me.
Mzungu kama Afrika mzungu.
Gauge 1.3.
It's supposed to be 1.3.
Our gauge.
Afunguse moto.
Zileta hapa.
Zile nusu zije huko fanyia kazi.
Hiyo gauge tusipande na hii. Tamesi. Mata msaidia tofali.
Leta tofali.
Zaloka nyukunyi hana matofali mtako kama.
Mahanga ukayo. Hata ni mure tena moto rambe.
Ndio hapa ndio tomba.
Ndigo dagesa kambi kana na watu bakulete tofali mitumba moto.
Inaweza kutuba kuhevia makazi sana.
Man.
Você olha oi. Esse gato era um taco mais herongo. Oh. Ora que treta fa. Atire o cruzeiro. Hey.
Strong African boys. Steve. Tema kuchimba. Katibu.
Top. Muito bom.
Ndio plumbo.
Bon. Ana mugoroba ndari honi chepon.
Yon.
Tatore kwanza muruta. Tora mugirute iko.
Etugirite yose. Dagi wartunike kwa madirisha.
Weka ikakurufu.
Okay guys, it's time to leave and maybe I'll be here at evening time.
Hello baby.
Yeah.
How do you see the work?
The work is super nice.
moving, yeah?
Yes. Like never before.
Yeah, we thank God for this far. But we are still continuing, guys. Yeah, and if you can support us with maybe 1 bag of cement, just do it, because we are all friends.
Yes.
We are all comes from one family, guys. Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Yes. Right, guys, support on that. You know, construction is not easy. You build until you sweat,
Yeah,
even down. You sweat.
yeah.
I am meaning this. I mean this, guys. I sweat when I was building my mama house. Hey, I sweat like a goat. Do you know a goat? They're supposed to sweat. Guys, see you on my next video. Let's do this. Guys, now it's evening time since I left one of my friends' construction, but again I'm supposed to be there to see the speed of the wall of Africa, man. You know, like for us, we are building the wall of Africa. You heard that cock? So let's go and see how things go. So I told you earlier, you see this soil here, or this sand, you know, I'm supposed to make some bricks. Trust and believe on me, you will see. You know, our cow grazing here. You know, when the people harvest maize, cow eat this stuff here. Hey cow, you good? All right, let's go. And I'm so happy, man, because I was waiting this day to travel to Nairobi, but my brother's stories push me. Mama, what am I saying? I'm not having to figure out what I'm tagat. Paano ito muranga? So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. And guys, please, if you wanna support me and my brother, at least we get transport from here to Nairobi. You're gonna support, guys, in a good way. If you feel free, you know, at this point, like I'm not forcing anyone, but if you feel free, like, hey, hello baby, you're gonna have maybe $20, $50, $100, $150 as a transport. Have this and go, because one day I'll click this video and I show my brother how we help them. Generally, me and my subscriber and my family will help my brother to go in school. You know, that's my target. But again, without transport, my brother can't move. You know, from when my brother go for the trial in Nairobi, or at Nairobi, me, I think my brother would go to Nairobi center to pray. But when he came back, he get a school in Narok County. You know, I think it's Narok. But today, the information that I get from the coach, my brother's supposed to go far away from Narok. You know. So I'm trying to see how things go. You know, imagine. It's a long distance from Narok, from border town to Narok County, the bus stop, and then from Narok County to Nairobi, and then the bus stop, and then we pick and we hire the Uber from the bus station Nairobi up to Thika. You know, even I'll show you that the school where my brother joined, and you'll see. You know, so guys, we shall meet at Brother Dagi's construction. Let's do this, guys. I'm telling you. Yes.
How do you see the foundation of today?
This is first day one, I think.
Day one, actually.
Setting.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like that. So kesho.
Yeah.
Kwa madirisha. Juu. Kesho utafika kwenye hiyo nyumba imefika kwa madirisha.
Oh.
Yeah. So you know, like day one setting, it's very difficult.
Day one, yeah?
Yes.
Actually.
Ay mafundi, abde mafundi watatu. Watako. Kuseti ingekuwa mafundi hata kwa 4. Ingefika kwenye madirisha imefika hapo. Lakini kule ni pole pole kazi. Mtamuumiza bosi. Tata. You see my plan, brother Dagi?
Yes.
You see the door will be there. The the toilet door will be there.
Yeah.
Mahambe kuna changes zingine kubwa sana. Don't argue with my idea, bro. I've been on this industry for 2 years. Tabure mzee mwita. Nyara bono nke kunyara kono. Janiwa.
Gulai how are you? Good evening.
Yara yango temiki kile kiru. Dagi. You see, now you have your new spade. You're a girl, you know. I have your.
This is my friend.
Next thing, no, uza mchango no ya sawiri ba. Wona vitu zangu.
No manye.
Ne hewa ako sino monto ako.
Tuna anyori hayo ne he kabisa.
Monto anyori.
Anga tokere garanga katanga 500 homi ya sapa musini kuleno.
Sasa naonile ngutu nanko.
Tanga 500.
Nikitoka safari next week utaniona Friday.
Anga siko pe. Yes, my friend.
Kirema. Lakini kazi ni safi. Uko mapo na nkumwe.
That you have been getting, it's like you see the sky.
Ele kasi ya boss.
But now, have a look. So this is the view of the work. Here we have my neighbor, hello baby.
Guys, I want to be volunteer. Honest, I want to be volunteer. So show them. You see? Ogoroke kame orando anyuma.
Tamura anyuma.
Eliganda muranyu. Eno ne kamera nkurukere. Kino agokora.
See? I'm trying to volunteer. One day, the community will remember me. Committee.
Tataha. Umuheri bone ya mwisho.
You see? Brother Ngurai. You see?
Asuma nyino na fatiri.
How is it working?
Is a volunteer. Acho marke no komora. Show them.
Dofe yango tebo. Ola.
Hii ni waterproof.
Nika waterproof.
Nire kukurushanga tore komanje. Yeah?
Yao.
Yeah. Toshingi mie niweke kwa maji. Makweke kabiro. It's raining, man. People need to stop. Guys, now it's so late. We are coming at the end of these videos. Look, things are shining. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. Let's meet on tomorrow's vlog, guys. Bye bye.